Hello viewers. So today we have come up with one specific and really important topic of our life, which is a passion. Do you know that most of the people they already have passionate about, that's why they become the successful in their life. So what can be done where we can get a good passionate about and we will enhance our journey in our lifestyle. So what you can do first we can choose our niche. It means in which faculty we are really passionate about. Okay, so how the passion is impacting in our life, how we can choose our passion as effective things in our life where we can directly get our life more impactful and we will get as good as possible the success rate. Because the most of the people in this line, all the legends, they became a really passionate and proficient in their life just based on their choosing their own passion. Asian board, okay, Elon Musk, they're all the peoples now they are working very high amount and very well. Those are the peoples that are actually working in their passionate about. So what we can do, the first of all, when we have a really good at a passionate about, so first we generate the creativity and innovation. Okay, we know that we are always good at in that one particular specific reason, then we can always to have a creativity in our mind and start to innovating things. Okay, generating the good things where some of the specific things is always to be coming out when we have a good passion. Okay, we always have a really purposeful life. It means we always have a one purpose. It means if you are choosing something, one specific task, then you need to have a one specific reason, a purpose. Automatically passionate, a passion will give you the chance to find the reason, to check the facts, and you just try to get a better result all the time. Okay, it means you always feel really happy when you're enjoying your work. Okay, the passion, it means what you really love to do. You really get a chance to feel really happy when you start to work on that one particular task. That's why the passion is working really important and very crucial role in order to enhance the personality in our life, in all the people's life. So first, what we can check, what exactly our niche, in which faculty we are really passionate about, and just try to jump in our life and just try to focus on that one particular task. This is as simple as possible. So most of the people, they have a passion about to learning a new language and just try to teach to another one. So this is one time kind of passionate about. So what you can do, you just immerse your time in that one particular task. You can involve yourself engaging your all the time with only one particular task, we will, until you will not to become a proficient. Okay, so proficiency is always come when you are always to be surrounded by that one particular and specific thought process, what exactly you really want to do. If you are really want to be in a fluent in English language, you can just jump on that one particular task until you will not to become a fluent. If you really want to be a good chess player, if you want to be a good runner, if you really want to be a good footballer, there are so many of people, they are already in legends. You can just try to them, find them as a mentor and just become the good passionate. That's it. Because the passion, if you're choosing your passion, you're choosing your goal, if you are choosing your destiny, automatically you will get a result better and you will start to enjoying your process and you are getting a good successful life in your life. That's it. So today's for all, because the passion is always generating the good thing in your life and everybody's enjoying. So have a nice day and best learning for you. Best of luck.